What's Chicky doing? Come here, come sit. Come over here. Sit down. We're going to do your flashcards as Baby Genius. Come here. What's that?
A.
A.
B. C.
Good.
D. D.
What's that one?
E.
E. Good girl.
F. F.
F.
D.
G.
F. H. H.
H.
I. I.
I.
I.
J.
L.
J.
K.
K.
L. M.
M. What's this one?
M.
What's this one?
N.
N.
O.
O.
P.
P.
Coach.
Q.
R.
R.
Q.
What's that?
S.
S.
R.
What's this one?
D.
T.
T. M.
U. Over here, what's this one?
M.
No, what's this one?
M.
V.
Y.
V. V.
Double.
W.
X.
X.
Y.
Y.
X.
Z. Okay, let's do your numbers. You ready?
1.
1.
8.
What's that one?
1.
2. 2.
2. 3.
3.
4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10.
Yay! You did it! Good job! Tell Nana and Grandpa you did it! You did it! Yay! Give me a kiss. Oh, you're so mean. Give me a kiss. Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Can you blow kisses? Good girl.